Welcome, doctor.
Thank you, DNI, for giving me an opportunity. Okay, I'm Dr. Nishita Sheth. As you all know, I'm mainly into now hair transplant. That is head to toe transformation. We used to do it. Now my main focus is into hair transplant. So I'm a medical director. I've done my dermatology from Cardiff University, UK. DNCC started its journey in 2004. We successfully treated more than 2 lakh patients and many celebrities. Our clinic was awarded as Best Clinic in 2012. Currently running 3 centers, Bandra, Thane, Goa, and 4th one we opened already in Andheri. Our aim is to have more than 10 our own centers, 10 franchise out our module. Currently we have this much of impressions on Facebook, that is more than 2 crores. Impressions are 1,37, and with Google we are a very good presence. Next. So we've successfully generated leads, 18,386 leads with our digital team. Shiva is already here. Next. So our discussion agenda, my 3 main agenda, that is first is hair transplant, anti-aging and skin. Next. Baldness is there. A solution? Is there any solution? Yes. So I'll just take you through global hair loss figures. So 35 million men experience hair loss in US, 45 million men experience hair loss in India, 40% of men in Europe, 50% of men in UK will experience some thinning by the age of 50. 40% of men globally experience some level of hair loss. And 50% of men in the Middle East see some signs of thinning. So there are 2 types of hair transplant. The previous one was strip method, and now what we do 90% is FUE, which is called follicular unit extraction, where there is no scar, no stitches, and it's a painless procedure. Next. So only hair transplant, we have already you've done more than 50,000 patients in hair. So 5,000 patients hair transplant done successfully with 95% patient satisfaction rate. I've given my patients who are already there before and after. We have clients from all over the world. So this is Imran Dayavatar. He had no hair at all. After 1 year, he turned from uncle to the young boy. Another patient is Dr. Faisal Desai. He came in from Zedda. He himself is a cardiologist. So again, his before and after 1 year. This is third patient is like before and after. Now we always take consent from our patient to show before and after, because otherwise we are not allowed. So some tips for hair, monsoon hair growth tips: no hair color in this season. Next. Avoid more hair styling products. Next. Anti-aging, again, Botox is the #1 procedure which can actually it is the #1 procedure which can make you look young by 10 years. It is done by most of the 99% of the celebrities. They are all doing the Botox. So these are the effects of Botox. So we have targeted the forehead lines. You can see before and just after 1 week, she had no lines at all. Filler is the injection again to give you again 5 to 7 years younger look. So this is the patient who has done fillers. Actually the arrows are wrongly placed, but we have done the nasolabial fold, and this is before and that is after. This is again one patient who comes from Dubai every year for his filler, and he wants to look young, and he will say every time, "Oh doctor, I need to get married again." So this is another skin Cosmelan, which is whitening and brightening peel. This is the international treatment. So it can remove any kind of pigmentation. So this is before and after of the Cosmelan. Next. This is one more patient who was in depression because of her skin. She used to not go out with her husband anywhere. She used to be only in her home. And after doing her Cosmelan treatment, her husband said, "Doctor, now she doesn't want to stay at home." This is another girl who was getting married and her boyfriend paid for her treatments and she's very happy. Next. Another patient, Cosmelan before and after. Yes, next. So Cosmelan is for pigmentation and it can remove all kind of pigmentation. Okay, can I have Dr. Bnipinnaclebandra for his?
Yeah, I referred one of my patients to Dr. Nishita and along with missing teeth, hairs were also missing. And after 6 months I saw him smiling and the smile was because of hair she gave me.
Thank you so much. Can I have Parag Shah?
Yes. One of my friend, he got hair transplant from Dr. Nishita. One of my friends got hair transplant from Nishita. He said only two things. She's the best and she's the most reasonable. And I would always suggest my other friends to go to her.
Thank you so much, Raksha and Dr. Bnipinnaclebandra. Thank you for, you have any question, you can ask me. My list of give and ask, I can just send you. Actually, all the hair salons, I am looking for, connect with all the hair salons or somebody who is into hair, wigs and all that. Gymkhana, Sports Club, then call centers, then Air Hostess Academy, aviation industry, celebrity and model coordinators, all are my ask. Thank you so much for giving me.
Thank you. Thank you.